Okay, so now this last part for our notes, I'm not going to go over this piece here. You guys can look at your notes and reference it. You should be able to get it. It's straightforward, the same thing. This down here, though, how we add polynomials, the ultimate part of our whole entire lesson, what we were bleeding up to getting to today. So adding polynomials is essentially combining like terms. It is not anything different. It is all the same thing. So you're basically saying this entire trinomial is going to be added to this trinomial. So what happens then is basically these parentheses are unnecessary. So I'm just simply going to rewrite all of this for ourselves. So 5x squared and then plus 8x. Oh my goodness, it would help if I could type. Minus 10. And then this is saying add a negative, which is the same thing as just saying minus 12, minus, if you want to do 1x, that's fine, and then plus 3x squared. And I will do some reformatting here. There we go. So now all we do is go in and highlight and select our like terms. Remember, again, like terms has to have the same variable and same exponent. So we have 5x squared here. I'm going to highlight it yellow. That's going to match up with this yellow, or this what's going to be yellow, 3x squared. I have an 8x, and that will, let's do blue, can match up with a negative 1x. And then negative 10 and negative 12, let's do those green. So we know that those are all our like terms. So let's add first 5x squared plus 3x squared. So that is, why is it still? So that becomes 8x squared. And then we have 8x minus 1x. So that becomes, in our blue highlight, 7x. And it's a positive, so we say plus. Should be blue. And then our green highlight, we do our constants last. Negative 10 minus 12, which leaves me with negative 22. And then it also will have us to classify these. So our highest degree is squared. So we know that that is going to be called quadratic. There's 3 terms. So it is a yeah, that's the right spelling, trinomial. We can unhighlight that. I knew I spelled it wrong. Okay. Then we have here the same process. I'm going to do the same thing, just basically rewrite all of this without parentheses. So we have 8x minus x cubed plus 4, oops, forgot to take the exponent off. So plus 4 minus 9x, and that is squared. And then we have a positive 7. So I'm going to make that a plus sign because it is a positive. 7x cubed plus 9x squared minus 10 minus 8x, not 82, 8x. Okay, so now we just go and select our like terms. So we have 8x, let's highlight yellow. That will also go to anything with just an x. This should be x, not 92. And oh, here we go, also negative 8x. We have x cubed. Let's highlight it blue. X cubed here also. I have a constant plus 4. Let's do pink. Minus 10. Pink. 9x squared. Okay, so then you just are combining your terms. So 8 minus 8x, that cancels. Negative x cubed plus 7x cubed is 6x cubed. Negative 9x squared and 9x squared cancel. 4 and